Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've applied to Infosys recently, you might have just gotten, or you're about to get, an email titled Assessment Date Announcement. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what this email says, walk you through the virtual coding assessment pattern that's actually being used, go question by question through the exam structure, and give you a prep checklist so you're not caught off guard. Let's get straight into it. Slide 1. So here's the quick snapshot. Infosys has scheduled the next stage, the virtual coding assessment, across the slots. Slot 1 is on 1st August 2026 at 11 a.m. and slot 2 is on 2nd August 2026 at 3 p.m. Both are fully virtual. You can take them from your current location, no travel needed. In this video, I'll cover 4 things: the actual email, the exam pattern, a full question breakdown, and prep tips. So stick around till the end because the prep tip section is honestly the most useful part. Slide 2. This is the actual email as it landed in the inbox. Subject line: Assessment Date Announcement. Let's read through the important parts together. It starts with "Dear candidate, warm greetings from Infosys," pretty standard opening. And then it confirms that the next stage of the assessment process has been scheduled, specifying the date, and that it'll be a virtual coding assessment you can take from your current location. Then it lays out the details clearly. Company: Infosys. Virtual coding assessment dates: 1st and 2nd August 2026 times, 11 a.m. for slot 1, 3 p.m. for slot 2 mode, fully virtual online. Now here's something I want to highlight. And this is important. The email specifically says any questions should go to talent.acquisition@infosys.com and that emails sent to any other address won't get a response. There's also a fraud disclaimer at the bottom. Infosys does not charge candidates at any point in the selection process and doesn't use external vendors to recruit on their behalf. So if anyone reaches out to you claiming to be Infosys recruitment asking for money, or from a random email address, that's a red flag. Always verify against the official contact. Slide 3. Now let's get into what actually matters for your prep. What does the assessment interface look like? And how's it structured? This is a screenshot of the Coding Hands-On section. On the left, you can see the sections panel. Right now there's just one section active, Coding Hands-On, showing 4 answered and 0 unanswered. On the right is the actual question list. You've got columns for question number, question title type, and you'll notice every single one says COD, meaning these are all coding type questions progress, a green bar showing how much of each question you've completed flagged, questions you've marked to revisit, and an action button to jump into each question. So here's my big takeaway, and this is the one thing I want you to remember. This is one single graded section with 4 coding problems of increasing difficulty. It is not a mixed round with MCQs plus coding. It's coding, start to finish. Slide 4. Let's go through each of the 4 questions one at a time, because the titles actually tell us a lot about what to expect. Question 1. Easy. Threshold growth counter. This is your warm-up. Based on the name, it's likely some kind of counting or threshold-based logic problem. Think loops, conditionals, maybe simple array traversal. The goal here is speed and accuracy. Bank these points fast. Question 2. Medium. Tree rating. This one likely involves a tree data structure. So you're looking at traversal algorithms, maybe DFS or BFS, possibly computing some kind of score or rating based on tree properties. If trees are rusty for you, this is where you want to brush up. Question 3. Hard. Resonant distance selection. This sounds like a selection or optimization problem, possibly involving arrays or graphs, calculating distances, and selecting an optimal subset under some constraint. This is where time complexity starts to matter a lot. Question 4. Complex. Circular quadratic harvest. The toughest one. The name suggests it could combine circular array logic, like a circular buffer or rotation, with some kind of quadratic computation, maybe involving nested loops or a mathematical formula. This is the one to save extra time for. Now, I want to be upfront. These are educated guesses based on the question titles and the pattern of increasing difficulty. But this structure, easy, medium, hard, complex, is a great guide for how to pace yourself on exam day. Slide 5. Alright, let's wrap up with the part you actually came here for. How do you prepare? 1. Revise the basics. Arrays, strings, trees, and time complexity. This question set touches on nearly all of them. 2. Practice easy to hard, in that order. Don't jump straight into hard problems. Build momentum the same way this exam is structured. 3. Check your setup early. Stable internet, a quiet room, and if possible, test the coding platform before your actual slot. 4. Manage your time. With 4 questions of rising difficulty, don't get stuck on question 1. Bank the easy points first, then move to the harder ones. 5. Verify emails carefully. Only respond to talent.acquisition@infosys.com. If you get anything from a different address asking for personal details or payment, that's not legitimate. 6. Know your slot. Slot 1 is 1st August at 11 a.m. Slot 2 is 2nd August at 3 p.m. Log in about 15 minutes early so you're not rushing. That's the full breakdown of the Infosys virtual coding assessment, the email, the pattern, the questions, and how to prep for it. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more placement and recruitment updates, and let me know in the comments which slot you're taking and how your prep is going. I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your assessment.